The timeless question many have faced: what if you only had one day in Las Vegas? No time to waste. No getting lost in a buffet line. Just 24 hours of smart moves, iconic experiences, and Vegas moments you'll actually remember. I asked ChatGPT to design the perfect 24-hour itinerary, starting from late afternoon arrival to late afternoon departure the next day, with everything easily walkable or rideable on the strip. Here's how to win Vegas, even if you only have one day to do it. Your Vegas day starts around 4 p.m., perfect timing for hotel check-in. Where to stay? Choose Central Strip if you want easy access to everything. Bellagio, Aria, or the Cosmopolitan are ideal. They're luxurious, walkable to almost every major stop, and give you that instant "this is Vegas" feeling when you step into the lobby. Pro tip: ask at check-in if any upgrades are available. Midweek arrivals or slower seasons might score you a suite for cheap. Drop your bags, freshen up, and don't linger. This clock is ticking. Ease into Vegas with a skyline toast. Head to the Chandelier Bar inside the Cosmopolitan for a quick but glam cocktail under cascading crystal. Or, if you want the view right away, take the elevator to Skyfall Lounge at Delano for panoramic views of the entire strip just before sunset. Sip, take a breath, and feel that "I'm in Vegas" kick in. You made it. Dinner is where you lock in the first wow of the trip. You've got options. For show-stopping ambience, try Giada at the Cromwell. The food's legit, and the view of the fountains at Bellagio is hard to beat. For big flavors and big vibes, head to Bazaar Meat at Sahara. Jose Andres makes steak and seafood feel like theater. For a high-end but efficient meal, Spago at Bellagio gives you Wolfgang-level cuisine and views of the fountains. Make reservations ahead. 6:30 p.m. is prime time. You don't want to waste your only night waiting for a table. What's your flavor? This is your moment for something unforgettable. Option 1. A Big Vegas Show by Cirque du Soleil at Bellagio is an all-time classic. Water, acrobatics, surreal suts. Absent at Caesar's Palace is adults-only, hilarious, and totally unhinged, a cabaret on steroids. Option 2. Try your luck. Want to say you gambled in Vegas? Caesars, Aria, or Bellagio offer upscale casinos with lots of action and atmosphere. Set a budget and enjoy the energy. Even $50 at the blackjack table can feel like a movie scene. Option 3. Cocktail crawl. Skip the show and do a DIY cocktail crawl. Start at Vanderpump Paris at Paris, Las Vegas. Hit the Dorsey at the Venetian, and with Mayfair Supper Club at Bellagio for live music and dancing after 10 p.m. You're either winding down or winding up. Want nightlife? Head to Jewel at Aria or Omnia at Caesars. Both are iconic clubs with top-tier DJs. Want a nightcap? Hit Velveteen Rabbit in the Arts District if you're feeling adventurous, just a short ride from the strip. Need a bite? Walk to Secret Pizza at the Cosmopolitan. No signs, no nonsense, just New York-style pizza and a cult following. Crash when you're ready. The next day is coming fast. Wake up and shake off the neon. Start slow with a walk through Bellagio Conservatory or grab coffee from Siddell's if you stayed at the Bellagio. Other great options. Cafe Lola for Instagram-worthy breakfast inside the Forum shops. Egg Slut at the Cosmopolitan if you're on the go. Hydrate, fuel up, and prep for one last round of fun. Now's the time for your daytime Vegas moment. If you want to get those steps in, walk the strip and explore the Forum shops at Caesars. Snap the selfie at the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, a 10-minute Uber south. If you're in shopper mode, the shops at Crystals for high-end fashion. Miracle Mile shops for affordable finds and entertainment. Or try the Big Apple Coaster at New York, New York for one last thrill. If it's working, of course. Go out with a bang, or at least with a damn good bite. Eataly at Park MGM. Fast, delicious, and a lot of variety. Mon Ami Gabi at Paris, Las Vegas. Sit outside and people watch. China Poblano at the Cosmopolitan, a Jose Andres original with a flavor mashup of Chinese and Mexican. Don't overdo it. You've got a flight soon. but give yourself a lunch worth talking about when you get home. Grab your bags, check out, and head to the airport. If you use this plan, you've packed in world-class food, one-of-a-kind shows, stunning views, strip-side glamour, and a few surprises. All in 24 hours, no rental car required, no wasted time. That's how you do Vegas in 24 hours, not like a tourist, but like you meant it. Let me know in the comments what your must-do Vegas moments are. Did I miss something? Should I do a version of this for Fremont Street or 48 hours? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. This is Las Vegas Insider Guide.